sexy tonight. How are we doing tonight, Emma?
Good.
Good. You're acting all shy now, but once you start singing, you're not so shy, are ya? What do you love about performing?
That you get to be on stage.
You like to be the center of attention as well? Are you an only child?
No, I have two sisters.
Are you the youngest?
Middle.
Okay, so this is about you tonight. Here we go. What is your favorite thing about school?
I like recess.
Okay. Recess. What do you love about recess?
That you get to have some free time and not get in trouble that much.
So when you're not performing, what do you like to do?
I like to get on the computer,
And shop or do what?
play games.
Play games. So tonight you're going to be singing Something About the Sunshine. And who is this by?
Anna Margaret.
Anna Margaret. Well, we look forward to hearing. This is contestant number 6, Emma Schrage.
To the blue skies, down the sands, and let's go for a ride. By the ocean, building on a chance of that night. Every day's a dream in California. Every night the stars come out to play. Wish that I could always feel this way. There's something about the sunshine, baby. Seeing you in a whole new light. Out of this world for the first time, baby. Oh, so bright. There's something about the sunshine. There's something about the sunshine. In Hollywood, rockin', Malibu, we hang out and chill. It's all about shopping, from Melrose to Beverly Hills. Every day's a scene and now we're ready. I don't wanna paint this town alone. When I see your smile, I feel at home. There's something about the sunshine, baby. I'm seeing you in a whole new light. Out of this world for the first time, baby. Oh, it's alright. Now that you're here, it's suddenly clear. It's suddenly clear. Sun coming through. I never knew. Whatever I do, it's better with you. It's better with you. There's something about the sunshine, baby. I'm seeing you in a whole new light. Out of this world for the first time, baby. Oh, it's alright. There's something about the sunshine, baby. I'm seeing you in a whole new light. Out of this world for the first time, baby. Oh, it's alright. There's something about the sunshine, baby. I'm seeing you in a whole new light. And it's a breeze for the first time, baby. Oh, it's alright.